In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up an Airtable base by downloading your tables as CSV files, so you always have a safe copy of your data. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Airtable. If you aren't already signed in, click the Login button and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your workspace with all your bases. Go ahead and click on the base you want to back up, the one containing the data you can't afford to lose. Airtable bases can hold a lot of structured information, and backing them up is the only way to protect against accidental deletions or account issues, since Airtable doesn't offer a one-click full backup for free accounts. Now that your base is open, navigate to the specific table you want to export. You'll see a list of tables on the left side of the screen. Click on the one you need. Once that table is displayed, look at the top of the grid. Right next to the table name, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled with the current view name, such as Grid View. Click that drop-down to open your view options. From the menu, select Download CSV. This action will immediately download a comma-separated values file of everything in that particular view to your computer. It's important to remember that you're only exporting the data visible in that view, including any filters or hidden fields, so double-check that the view contains all the columns and rows you want. If your base has multiple tables or important views, repeat this process for each one. Simply go back to the table list. Select the next table, choose your view, and download its CSV. Don't just stick to the default grid view either. Export any filtered or grouped views you rely on, as they capture different slices of your data. Once all the files are downloaded, create a dedicated backup folder on your device or a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Move or save all your CSV files there, and make sure you label each file clearly with the date and the table name. For example, 2025-0508_contacts or 2025-0508_inventory. This naming habit will save you a ton of time when you need to restore from a specific backup later. To wrap it up, you've just successfully backed up your Airtable base by downloading your tables as CSV files. For best practice, set a regular reminder to do this weekly or monthly, and always store your backups in at least 2 different places, like your computer and the cloud, for extra safety. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.